What's the meaning of crumb? Crumb. Crumb.
Crumb. Crumb. Crumb can be used as a noun or a verb, and has multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it refers to a small fragment or piece that is broken off from something larger, such as a bread crumb. It can also refer to a slight trace or indication of something, such as a crumb of evidence. As a verb, it means to break something into small fragments or to reduce something to tiny particles. Overall, crumb is a versatile word with various meanings related to small fragments or traces.